Alright guys, got a golf cart to move.
We'll move in just a second.
Max is driving.
Alright,
Dad's pulling.
take it around over there out of the way.
Let's see that monster truck.
I'm back here for wheelie control. Here we go. Skylar. Which way? Turn it this way. Follow Dad. You got it. I got it, Mom. Around the bend we go. What? Yeah. Let's shop, dog. We're gonna be working on that. That's what we're getting all the crap out of the way for. I mean, all the good stuff out of the way for. I didn't say that. Cut.
Cart out of the way. We're gonna get ready to move that F350. That truck. We're gonna move it up to the shop so we can finish building that. But first we gotta get this gold Chevy square body I picked up out of the way. So we're gonna go over and drag that back. Then we'll get that one up to the shop. Let's go, fun guys. All right, we're getting stuck, so they're locking us down.
This is hole. Look what you've done. Oh.
Locked in.
Do it.
Hit the diff locker. In a hole?
Yeah, I would say. Just a
Just
a little one. That's a good question. Unlock. How to blow your booty out. It budged. You done good. Don't put it through the wall.
I said if that happens, she's fired.
I wouldn't do that. Quiet.
All right, she's a big one, boys. Big old lifted F350. This is gonna be a badass. It's not the diesel pusher 7.3 it used to be. It's now a Triton V10. It'll do for the mud. So, let's get this big bad boy, or girl, whatever it is, towed in by that Ford. Because it's only respectful that we tow a Ford in with a Ford. I mean, if we pull it with the K5, that's kind of a disrespect. So let's let a super poopy pull a super poopy. All right, let's just hook it right here.
Hey.
Actually, hook it on that one. Drop it through. Good job, Sam. Good. So he's releasing the steering wheel.
Oh, that's what it's on.
Tie rod arms, control arms, all that. We're gonna go ahead and just kick these tires over towards the shop. Boom, bang. And she's gonna hook on to the back of this truck is the theory. And kind of pull backwards, and this should go forward in there. I hope. Stay tuned. Whoa.
I'm trying to pay attention just a second. Don't got enough money, I guess.
Mommy, look.
They're in it.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control. My thoughts get so bad, like I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over, like oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You say some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs
Thought Max helping today too.
cause I know you got
Hey, put down your cup before you make a mess.
show you what's up, cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy,
Alright, cool. Good to stop.
and now you go with
Just a second, bud. Skylar's boat over. Woo! Not your boat.
Look at my face.
What's your face?
It's splashed.
Oh, I see that. You do have splash. Forward, backward. Oh yeah, they get that.
It's hot.
It's very hot.
So hot, I think my eyeballs are sweating.
Hold that. Here.
All right, pretty lady. We're gonna put blocks in front of it. Don't. Pull back. You run over the boat.
He's got a cat too.
Don't back up yet.
I thought you said the bark.
Not yet.
You did this.
I didn't mean
The
to.
fingers.
I was
You
partying.
know what this command means?
It was like not directed to
Okay,
partying.
no backwards.
All right, pull up a little bit.
Forward.
We're gonna block the tires before you do that. And then we're gonna try and drag that truck sideways to line up at the shop. Let's go. All right, he found a brick. I found a boat wheel. We're gonna try this. Hopefully it doesn't go forward. Should just slide back. That's the plan. So hopefully it doesn't hit the bay liner or the kayaks or anything. Skylar, get out of there. Get out of that area. Turtle speed, please.
What speed?
Turtle warping. Warping turtle speed.
Going Rishi warp speed.
Rishi speed. Let's watch these front tires for a second. Make sure she's not going to crawl up on there. Chain's just about tight. And it's going tight. Go ahead a little bit. It seems to be staying. Get out of there, Skylar, just in case it pushes up. I want you totally out of there. Just back up. It's not a yacht, it's a bayliner. Drag it sideways. Go. Heel. All right, we gotta lock you down. Them 37s are too much for you. Try it in 4 low. I seen you pull a semi with this. And a pup. Let's try again. Oh, now she's talking. Keep going. Everything's fine. Kayak. Okay, it's not fine. Pull forward. Over here, adjust. Worried about his dinghy.
Dinghy.
I think your dinghy's fine. Did hit his dinghy. The pop and patch it. Boy's whining about his dinghy again. All right, lady. Don't hit the kid's dinghy. Well, you're under the tire now, so maybe it'll go easier. Now you're good. Just go ahead and back up. Stop. Huh. That's how you turn it forward. That guy's like, huh? What did I do? He's got one of them nice. He would never do that with his Ford. Yeah, but he's got one of those really new ones. He would never do that. He's looking over here like, what are they doing with that truck? YouTubers be like, we're pulling it. People else,
Sideways.
other people, they're like, no thank you. We don't have full coverage on our package.
Oh, we do.
I got full coverage.
That's why we do this.
We have a shop. Hercules here was running it right at the shop.
You should see you jump out of.
You were trying to push it into the building. You were scaring the hell out of me, Hercules. Look at this.
Dude, you have plenty of room.
I have no room.
Come on. Show YouTube.
You scared me.
I should have filmed your face. There's no room up here, guys.
Hercules started pushing on the truck. It took off.
Look.
All right, there's room. All right, there's still room. Tires might have saved us
It's so
too.
cute to watch him panic.
I thought it was gonna hit the building. You know what this place cost me, YouTube? I gave up 2 testicles and 1 woman. Or maybe it was 1 testicle and 1 woman, I don't remember.
You're about to lose your other one. And the truck is here.
It's in!
Yeah. All because of Mom saved that truck and pushed this one in.
Yeah, you guys missed it. It took off rolling that way. She jumped out, did not back the truck up, came over like Hercules. Comes over like Hercules because I fell down. See the pipe? See the pipe?
I was gonna say.
I fell down here. The
He
truck
was
took off
turtled.
rolling.
I would have pulled it forward, ran Dad over, and then he really would have been mad.
So the truck's rolling that way, and she runs out like Hercules and gets behind the truck, and they put their feet on that one and stopped this one from hitting that one. It was pretty
I put
amazing.
my feet on that one. I was here before her. Just making that clear.
All right. Epic miss. Should have had the tripod out. But she's almost up here. We're gonna get it wiggled in the rest of the way. Try and straighten it out if we can. Then we're gonna get to work on this thing. It's a heck of a haul so far. All right, guys. Got that beast up to the shop of an F350. We still got this beautiful K5 to play with. T-Bird's still here. 5.0's still here. So we're gonna make some more content with these. Just gotta figure out what to do with them. So maybe should we race these two cars against each other? The 390 versus the 302? What do you think? Comment below. Let's go, fun guys.